Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hi, what's up people out there, this is me Ashish Chauhan from ashvircreations. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can edit your girl portrait in Photoshop. Before getting to the Photoshop, just press the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos like this for you guys. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post new video. And log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new backgrounds, PNG, camera preset, Lightroom preset and every kind of loots and photo editing stuff for free. So go and check it out, that website. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So let's jump to the Photoshop. Open the Photoshop and open the image which you want to get edited. Now let's select the subject layer by using the quick selection. Just click on the plus icon and just roll all over the subject's body or the girl's body to make it selected. Now here in girl's photograph, when you are selecting, it is very important to select the hairs. So it is very important that you should select your hair in a perfect way. So how we are gonna select the hairs is this, just right click on the image, and just select and mask option in Photoshop CC, or if you are using Photoshop CS6 then you should select the refine edge tool. Now just click on this second tool of brush and just click on the plus icon, and all you need to do is just roll all over the edges of the hairs to make it selected. You have to just roll all over the edges. This is how you have to do. Just roll all over the area on the edges of the hair, so it will automatically detect the edges and remove the backgrounds from the hair. This is how it will, create your hairs to look more natural. And just press OK if you want. If you have selected it properly, then just press OK to make it select into a duplication. So you have selected those areas. Now right click on it and select layer bar copy option, or you can directly press Ctrl J from the keyboard to make the selection to a duplication. So here you can see we have created a very nice and a perfect hairs selection. Now the next thing is to add the background to the photograph. So we'll go to the file and let's select the background. Let's open the background from here, and just all you need to do is just drag it and drop over here, or you can just press Ctrl A, Ctrl C and Ctrl V from the keyboard. Now all you need to do is just transform it. So we'll go to the edit, select free transform and just increase the size of the transformation of the image. Whichever you want, you can just keep it somewhere over here. You can adjust it like this way. And just press enter. Now the next thing is to crop the image. So we will just make it a square selection, or you can just keep it somewhere over here. So we have cropped our image for our photo. You can adjust still more angles if you want. So here I have made a perfect angle for our photograph. So you have done the cropping. Now all you need to do is just blur the background. So we will go to the filter. Then let's go to the blur and just select the box blur from there and make the box blur to around 40% and just press OK. Now again press Ctrl T and just stretch it on the little more direction. Yeah, now it's looking like very perfect. Now all you need to do is just merge the photo with the background. So let's just go to the color lookup from here, adjustment layer, and just select any of the loot file from here. So let's select this loot file. All the loot files are given in my on my website, so you can download it from there. Now your photograph is looking overexposed, so you need to do is just press Ctrl L and just move the slider. And just decrease some highlights from the image so you can see the preview before and after. A huge difference can be seen on the photo. So just press OK and that's it. And here if something is remaining, so just all you need to do is just create new layer and create a clipping mask. Select the brush tool and just press Alt key from the keyboard and select the skin color by pressing Alt key, and just you need to do is just paint those color on the edge of the image so that it will look very realistic, and it will actually create a very perfect, and it will actually blend the image with the background which we actually want. So you need to do this process. Also do over this portion. Make sure that nothing is remaining. So here you have almost completed the process. Now just merge the photo. Here something is more remaining, so again let's select the Alt key, press Alt key and just paint those edges with this color, with the nearest color. So here everything in the process is complete. Now just merge both the layers. Right click on it and select merge layers, and just all you need to do is let's reduce some lightness from the image. So all you're gonna do is just go to the image, now let's go to the image and let's go to adjustment and select shadows and highlight. Now just decrease the highlights from the photograph. And you can just still more create some shadows if you want. So you can see the preview. Here is a before and after. A huge difference can be seen on the photo. We have actually brighten up the dark portion, which is actually very perfect and cool. Now just press OK. Now your photo is actually looking very realistic and perfect. And just keep this layer on the image. You can still more decrease some saturation if you want. Then just go to the hue, select the red color and just decrease some saturation from here, decrease some lightness if you want. So here you can see the before and after effect. Now just merge all the layers, right click on it and select merge layers. Now you can still create some more lighting effect. If you want to add some lights, then just select the new layer, create new layer, select the brush tool and just select any of the color from here. Let's pick this color and just select the brush, soft round brush, and increase the size of the brush and create one big stroke on over there and just change the blending mode to screen. Press Ctrl T and just you can press it, keep it somewhere over here to give actually a very lighting effect on this portion. Now this one is looking very cool, so just merge the light stroke with the background and just again press the crop tool and crop it. So here you can see, here was our before and here is our after. A huge, very cinematic look we have given with, like very Instagram trending portraits. This kind of portraits are very much trending on Instagram. So you can create such unique cinematic look to any kind of portraits of the girl using this simple technique. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed, then just press the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos like this for you guys. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and just press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post new video. And log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom preset, and every kind of photo editing stuff for free. So go and check it out, that website. And guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Well, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video.